now how we can utilize AI to manage AI related risk.
I
So
think what we are talking is, see, one way of looking at AI is being used by both. No, that you know
yes,
very well. So the protector also wants to have an AI where we want to protect. The guy who wants to disrupt also wants an AI to disrupt. So there are two. It's a double-edged sword if you really look at. Both sides use AI. Now, who's the weaker is what we are trying to look at now. How do we prevent with what is being done on AI is what we want to look at. Now, AI security for AI. I think what is that we are talking about. So,
yes,
yeah,
actually, this is very important, and it is like mayhem as we discuss. And if we don't use AI, then we will be replaced. So it is very important to use AI in the security team, and I encourage my entire team to use various AI models. So one example, I will give two examples here. One thing, we talked a lot on the data leakage side. So let's take an example of data leakage only. So nowadays, I don't name the solution or vendor because I'm not promoting it, but we are using one of the premium DLP solution, and that DLP solution itself, now they have introduced the AI model into that. So what we can do is we can just deploy the AI model into the DLP, and it gets trained on the data, and then it automatically identifies, rather than just before that DLP model were based on the patterns and the regex, but now the DLPs are also on the LLM. So based on the context of the email, it will be able to identify whether it's the confidential data or a secret data, and then that data should leave the company premise or not, and that is easily available with the known vendors of the DLP. So this kind of features are already available. Now just imagine how difficult it would be for a person to analyze hundreds of mail which were triggered in the DLP. So with this kind of model, it's very easy to analyze the such emails, and you can easily find out the emails which are actually used to send the confidential data outside the organization. So my point here is it reduced a lot of false positive, and SOC analyst job become really easy with the AI if you implement it correctly.